What's up everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing this drone, and this is Coast Recon drone videos. Let's see what we got in here. You got a little bit of this. Look, you got this like drone here. You got this, and you got this, and you got that. You got a little moving camera that goes like this. You got a little battery here. First battery, there should be a second battery. This is my little controller. You got these containers, and you got this little button thing. I forgot how to open this thing. It's like this thing here. I think I gotta open this. Look, it's this thing here. You got this little thing here. Your phone will fit here. You got this. It's not batteries yet. You got another battery here. I think there's another battery somewhere. I don't know where another battery is. There might be one in here. I have two batteries, but is there one in there already? I think there is one. Yeah. I got three batteries here. One here. Actually, let's see if I can turn it on first. Ooh, you see this? Look at that. Nice. And we got little instructions here. I got my little controller. See what we got here. And get all these stuff out. I think I got some landing gear. Here. I got all these stuff. All that. I got like so many different things in here. I got my little charger. I got another one of these. And I got a little bit of a screwdriver. I got some extra components. I don't know why I have two. I need four. But at least I have some. So let's look at. We kind of need batteries on this. So we're gonna put this on charge, and then we're gonna go for the first flight.
Welcome back for the first flight. Now let's go for a test. Come on, let's do it this way. Look at this way.